Many new pictures of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. They have given recently a new interview. Yes, guys, this was an interview for international channel, so they got crazy during that interview. They were laughing continuously, even they were singing songs. So, Yagmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas' new beautiful pictures have caught up a lot of attention on social media. Both were looking really pretty and beautiful, especially Yagmur. She was shining with the beauty of smile on her face. So Yagmur and Baris got crazy during the interview and they were looking pretty and beautiful.